craving this. I think so I like it better. We inhale this.
Take my hand. We're gonna go to Central Park.
We got the matcha. Today's lunch is pretty simple. Nature's basket.
Sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about a daydream. It seems we're kind of
And a few jumbo roll.
wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky under blue skies.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Happy Tuesday. Well, I have had such a difficult morning today. First of all, last night AB got sick. The poor baby is running a fever, but I'm taking care of him, feeding him lots of fluids. And then I made myself an avocado toast, spilled it on my t-shirt that I was wearing, had to wash it, and then as I was about to get ready for the day, something bit my face and it was red. I had to wash it, ice it, and well, now I'm here. I'm all ready. But those were a bit stressful hours, not gonna lie. And I also meant to start this vlog earlier during the weekend because I was out and about. So basically on Saturday I went to get my roots touched up and also get a pedicure done. I will insert the clips here, but I also decided to get a hair treatment done. It was one from Olaplex and I'm so glad that I did it because my hair feels so soft. I feel aesthetically put together because of my toes and my hair. And on Sunday, me and AB we went to the South Point Mall on the Golf Course Road because we had to pick up a few things from Le Marche and Nature's Basket. And while we were there, we also stopped by Sebang Bakery to try our luck on their breads. It was like what? It was around 8 p.m. and the breads are so good that I think till 4 or 5 p.m. they are just like finished and there's nothing left in the stock, but we were lucky so grabbed those. And then we went to Amaretto. I enjoyed some Caesar salad and AB enjoyed his affogato and we had such a peaceful time. So there's this one thing that I have been experiencing like recently. Whenever we are on our cafe dates, it's just so noisy, the music is so loud, the place is crowded, and I do not know, the vibes are not right. Like I love the cafes to feel a bit peaceful and that is what the vibe was there at Amaretto. So I'm definitely going back. And now here we are on a Tuesday. Well, yesterday I did, I think, only editing. I was editing all day, that is all I did, and AB was starting to feel not well, so I was just busy in that. But today I knew whatever the day served me, I had to pick up the camera and start a vlog. So to put an end to this horrific morning, let's make a matcha together. You know I love my Altco milk in my matcha, so I got it from Nature's Basket that day. And for a matcha, I have the brand new Gotti matcha. I am yet to try it. I hope it has the umami flavor that I always look for in my matchas. So let's make it together and find out. Wow, the color looks really promising. I am so excited to have it. No wonder their matchas, even in the cafes, are so green. Also, would you help me out? I wanna know how you store your matchas because once I tried it without this foil thingy and the color changed so drastically. And I'm not gonna do that, but do we refrigerate it or not? Like, what do you do? Please help me out because honestly I don't want this to go bad. matcha looks so pretty. Obviously, it passes the visual test, but let's see if it tastes as good. Cheers. It's really good. It has that umami flavor. It is super green. I think I love it. The Gotti matcha is definitely gonna be in my rotation, and I feel like it's economical too. Like, this is 60-gram tin, and oh my god, I was about to drop it. Thank god that did not happen. So I was saying that it is a 60-gram tin, and I think the typical tin you get is of 30 grams, and it costs you around, I think, $1,000 or 999. Like, that's the average price, but this costed me around 1,350 rupees, and I think it's economical and it tastes good too. I just need to see if the color does not change over time. I know it will, like any matcha would, especially how hot it was, but let's see. I need your help with the storage and stuff, so let me know how do you store it, because this is a good contender. Also, this reminds me, I really want to try to make a blueberry matcha at home. I do not know why I'm procrastinating so much making blueberry syrup from scratch. I have frozen blueberries in my freezer, and I don't know, I just have to make it. Maybe in the next vlog I'll see. Like, I really want to experiment with the matchas. You know, I love the strawberry one, so I might as well like the blueberry. Not sure. If you have ever tried blueberry matcha, let me know. Does the blueberry flavor complement matcha? Today's lunch is pretty simple on account of AB's health. So just some plain old dal with chapati, and I have a full plate of salad that I'm gonna have alone. AB has already had his lunch because he got hungry a little bit early. So yeah, I fed him, and now it's my turn to have some food.
Well, if it makes you feeling better, burn it on some.
Dubious depressants has been rediscovered after 101 years of presumed extinction. Burn the damn thing, make me feel better.
Never mind.
Tell me why.
Okay, so here's what I've been up to since we last spoke. I uploaded some shots, called my mom, chatted with her, gave AB his lunch, had my own lunch, made myself a green tea, and now here I am seated, ready to paint my nails. I do not know why I keep putting it off. Like, at this point, I've been meaning to do it since weeks, and I just keep pushing it off. I do not know why, but definitely gonna do it today. And also, like, this very pretty Shadi ka box came in. I do not know about you guys, but I save these boxes and multi-purpose them into bangle boxes or a jewelry box, like to keep my traditional wear. And this one's just so pretty. Let me show it to you. Isn't this the most beautiful box you've ever seen? So there's a family wedding coming up, and it's not in the city, which means that travel is in the cards, and I'm so happy about it. Anyways, I'm gonna put on some YouTube, sip on my green tea, and then start painting my nails, and I will catch you guys later. Alright, my green tea is done, and my nails look so pretty. The color is so cute. I do not know why I was putting off painting my nails. If you're wondering, this is the one I used and the shade is blue koi, and I did not even have to use this top coat because the finish is already very glossy. So yeah, I really love how they turned out to be. Okay, so it's currently 3:47 p.m. I just got done with placing an Amazon order. The Great Indian Festival is going on. But the thing is, I did not find a huge or a noticeable discount on any of the items that I was eyeing for, I think, about a month. So I needed a MagSafe mount for my phone and a few jumbo rollers, and AB wanted something for his headphones, but none of the products were discounted well. So I'm not sure, maybe it's only on electronics and bigger items. But yeah, after that I filled in my calendar, the one that helps me to schedule, edit and upload my content. This has really changed the game for me. I make them on Canva and print them out and just be religious with it. Like, I do not miss updating it. And then I was just checking out my channel's analytics and I found that a whopping 48% of you are not subscribed yet. I mean, I get it, even I take time to subscribe to someone because once I do, there's no looking back. Like, I won't unsubscribe them. There are a few phases where I won't watch their content regularly, but it's not in me to unsubscribe, but that's okay. I get it. Take your time, but if you do love my content, hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returner, which I hope you are, I am so glad that you tune in every week to watch these vlogs and random videos that I put up on the internet. It makes my day. Like, each and every view seriously just motivates me to push out more content, if that makes sense. Anyways, that's that. At this point, I think I'm rambling and I'm gonna jump back to work, edit a bit. Let's see what I'll do for the evening. I have no plans as of now. AB is starting to feel a little better. I hope by tomorrow he gets well and that his fever is gone. Fingers crossed, because the thing is, I am feeling a little bit down because he's not well. Like, I miss playing with him and troubling him. Right now, I'm not doing that. But yeah, that's what I'm feeling. Okay, I'll shut up now and get back to work. It is over 4:30 p.m. and I'm really hungry. So over the weekend, I prepped banana bread and saved it in the fridge. I am salivating thinking about it. I think I'm gonna heat a piece. We inhale this. It is so good. I think I've perfected the recipe, but before I do that, I need to take my collagen. So I'll quickly whip this up and heat a slice and enjoy it. I think I'm gonna put on a podcast or a YouTube vlog and take a break from work as well. so I ordered myself a Caesar salad. I do not know, I'm craving this nowadays, but yeah, AB just wants some bread with malai. That is what he's craving right now, and I'm gonna prepare that for him, and after that I'm gonna enjoy my salad. But yeah, that is what my night's looking like. I ordered extra dressing because I just love their dressing.
Let's start with the color, right? There's so many amazing ones. Red, blue, green, purple.
You're just gonna name all the colors?
Apparently, there's some hot girl track. Experience with crazy ladies because of my mom. Money? No. Pregnant. She's a bit worried, so I thought maybe you could talk to her.
It is 8:30 p.m. I just had my dinner and I ordered the Caesar salad from the salad company. I've been ordering from them for years now. I love their food, and I was just getting ready for bed when I realized that I don't think so I've ever shared my nighttime skincare routine or any skincare routine on this channel. Well, I don't think so I have a routine, a 10-step routine, or I barely qualify for a 5-step skincare routine. But if you're at all curious, here's what I use. So I wash my face with the Bioderma face wash, and then I use the Nat Habit rose water as a toner, and after that I usually apply my moisturizer. I have been using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost for a while now, but over the weekend we went to South Point Mall and there's this store called Beauty Talk Korea, and I found this aloe vera gel. I think so I like it better than the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, because I feel like it makes my skin produce more oil. I'm not sure why that is. Also, I think I should have mentioned this earlier, but I feel I am a combination skin type, because like I'm oily in the hot humid weather, but I'm super dry during winters. Like, people usually have oily T-zone, but I have dry T-zone. Like, my nose and my forehead are dry, but my cheeks produce a lot of oil during the humid weather. The rainy weather is my enemy, my skin's enemy. But I think my skin is loving this in the summer, so I'm gonna continue using it. And after this, I use this eye cream. This is from Beauty of, I can never pronounce this brand. So here's the eye cream that I use. And for my lips nowadays, I'm using the Chocolate Laneige sleeping mask, the lip sleeping mask. If I do not use this, I'll use a Vaseline. Like, that is my usual go-to. And this is my morning skincare too, minus the eye cream. This is the retinol eye cream, so I use it only during night. So yeah, these are the skincare products I use on a daily basis. And with that, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and enjoyed spending this day with me. If you made it till here, I appreciate you so much. Do subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.
She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long.